So problem 3, we want to factor this, so we want to use the busting B method. Busting B method means we're going to break this B value. Again, the value in front of the n squared is A. This is your B value. The value here is C. It's called busting B because we're going to break this 44 into 2 parts, and then we're going to factor things by grouping. Well, the way we start this is I'm going to decide how to bust B apart by taking the A value times the C value. 12 times 7 is 84. So I have to think of the multiples of 84. 1 and 84. 2, 42. 3 goes, I know 8 plus 4 is 12, so I know 3 will go into it. 3 goes into it, 30 is too much, come down, it's going to be 28. 3 and 28. 4 goes into it times 21. 5 does not go into it. 6 goes into it. 6 goes into it 10, 24, 14 times. 7 goes into it also. Wow, this guy has a lot, doesn't he? Goes into it 12 times. 8 does not go into it. 9 does not go into it. 10 doesn't. So now at this point I know I'm done because 11 doesn't, and now I'm back at 12 going back this way. So here are all the multiples. Now what I have to do is I have to figure out which of these are going to add together to give me 44. 3 and 28, no. Right there, those guys. So that's who I'm going to bust it into. So I'm going to bust this into, it's going to be 12n squared. The 44 I'm going to break into a 2n, so plus 2n plus 42n plus 7. Notice this is the same thing because all I've done is taken the 44 and broken it into 2 pieces. Now I'm going to group this and group these, and now I'm going to factor out 12 and 2. A 2 can come out, an n and n can come out. I'm left behind with a 6n plus 1 plus here 42 and 7. Well, a 7 can come out, and you're going to be left behind with 6n plus 7 times 1 gives me 7. Notice they both have a 6n plus 1. So now that can be brought out. So you brought it out front, and what'd you left behind with? 2n plus the 7. And this binomial times this binomial will create that trinomial up top. This is the busting B method for factoring this into 2 binomials.